Okay, what's up, everybody? This is Key, back with another great dollar store find. And today we have microwave pork rinds. Never in my life have I ever seen something like this. It looks like a popcorn bag, and it's pork rinds. You cook it in the microwave. Found it at the dollar store, the 99-cent store. Instructions are, shit, I can't read it through the phone. Remove plastic. Shake 5 to 6 times to spread the pork rinds throughout the bag. Microwave container. Microwave on high. 1 to 2 minutes. Cooking times may vary. Stop microwave. Bag stops expanding. Do not leave unattended. Product does not pop, which that's good because it's like 2 in the morning. Yeah. Anyways, you get the rest basically. So let's open this up. Sorry, kind of one-handed in here. Wow. Like literally, look at this, guys. Like there's pork rinds on the outside of the bag. What the fuck? Like there's literally, look at this. 1, 2. Here's another little piece right here. Oh damn, it's really like salty or cheesy or whatever the fucking flavor it is. I think it's made by Larry's. Yeah, Larry's. Anyway, shake this shit 5, 6 times. I don't know how many times that was. So let's see. This side down. So just literally just like popcorn. Okay, pop this shit into the microwave. Put it like right in the center. That's good. 2 minutes. This is like a big ass microwave, so like, yeah, fuck it. 2 minutes. I don't like to be like super close to microwaves when they're going. I don't like to stare at them. Like, my sister had this homegirl when she was younger, and some tragic shit about a microwave and somebody passing away. It's like crazy, but I'm not gonna get into it like that. But anyway, it's like crackling a little bit. It's not popping. The bag is kind of like expanding. I'm just gonna like look. I'm looking the other way, but I'm gonna let you guys like look at the microwave. I don't know if radiation could like explode or like spark something. Like, I'm kind of scared of that too. Like, radiation from the phone, radiation from the microwave causes like a ball lightning effect or something. That's creepy. So we're already 1 minute down, and it's expanding. Like, I legit feel like this is gonna be like a legit product from the dollar store. Like, you never get anything good from the dollar store. Like, nah, I'm lying. I get a bunch of good shit from the fucking dollar store. Mainly candy. The candy selection is pretty good. It's starting to smell like carne asada, kinda. It's weird. Hate microwaves. Look at all those little jello bites up there. My kids love them. Just love the little jello bites. The bag didn't really expand. It's at 8 seconds, but it's at 2 minutes, so I'm just gonna leave it at that. And 1. I wish this was like some television, and you guys could smell the like carne asada. I said that the bag wouldn't expand all the way, so I'm gonna assume it's done. I'm gonna face the camera towards me, and open the bag, and try a piece. So here we go. So guys, you like that, huh? Like that grenade? Yep. Maybe one day, if I get enough subscribers, I can give it away to one lucky subscriber. Maybe. What? Dude, I don't believe it. What? I was not expecting that. Guys. I was not expecting to actually get blood grains out of that. Guys, what? They're crackling still. This one over here got like a little burnt, but that's okay. We'll turn those in the trash. But look at the rest of these guys. They're still crackling. Wow, that's pretty cool. It's just a few little ones got burned. That's what I say. I have a big microwave, so it's like high wattage. So probably why 2 minutes was just a little too much. But look at these other ones though. Look at like that's legit right there. Alright, let's try it. Dollar store microwave pork rinds. I feel like I'm about to eat rice-a-roni or something. Don't know that. That is not bad. I should have got another bag. I like pork rinds. Do I have some hot sauce? You should have picked up some hot sauce too. That's good. I like food. Major test. Let's see if my dog likes it. If my dog likes it, and she's really super picky, if he likes it, then you gotta steal him a product. Sit. Sit. Good boy. Good boy. You like that? You want that? Come on. Come on. Sit. Sit. Come on. You want that, baby? Yeah? Yeah? You got it? Get it? Yeah? Oh, yeah. He fucked that up. We got a dollar store win, boo-boo. Yeah. So anyways, I'm Key with Dollar Store Finds. Like, subscribe, comment. I'm bringing more videos like this. And like I said, you know, if you like that necklace, I get enough subscribers. Maybe around the 50,000 subscriber range. I'll give it out. I'll give it out in a video. Because why not? Anyways, like, subscribe, comment. I'll see you on the next one.